Hello guys, welcome to Giant Bear. Today we're going to be reviewing a very popular Season 11 episode of SpongeBob SquarePants. This episode's called My Leg. Anyway, let's get started. This episode starts with a montage of Fred getting his leg hurt. It's pretty bad. Then SpongeBob sees Fred and wants to protect him. Then the rest of the episode is basically just SpongeBob protecting Fred from getting his leg hurt in various obstacles, like his job, and in the nurse's office, and whatever. Except for the song at the end, this episode is pretty bland, but it's definitely better than some of the other episodes inside the season. As you may or may not know, this episode is a continuation off a running gag inside SpongeBob of Fred saying, "My leg." And that's it. That's basically just another side character episode. But I know you think I'm criticizing this episode, but no. There's one thing about this episode that makes it really, really, really good. The jokes. The jokes in this episode are insane. Are very, very good. You should really watch this episode. It is worth it just to see SpongeBob sucked into Saul's. Anyway, this episode is really funny. There's plenty of funny moments like Fred standing on coal and SpongeBob getting stuck inside the saw machine. There's so many funny moments. This should really be a better episode, but, you know. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the review, and I'm going to give my final score I give this episode. Even though it was a really good episode, I'm giving it a slightly lower score than normal, at 8.2. And I hope you guys forgive me, but this is really a really good score inside SpongeBob because a lot of episodes are really bad. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and if you really like this video, consider watching any of my other SpongeBob reviews. Anyway, goodbye.